In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook page verified. We'll walk through the process inside Meta Business Suite so you can submit a clean, complete verification request and avoid common delays. This helps strengthen trust with your audience and can unlock important features across your business assets. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in a desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct business account that owns the page you want verified. In the left-hand navigation, find the Security Center. This is where Meta centralizes identity and safety tools. Inside Security Center, look for Business Verification. When you're ready, select Start Verification to begin your application. You'll first be asked to fill in your business details. Enter your legal business name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Use your registered address, a working business phone number, and your website if you have one. Consistency is key here. The information you type must match the information on the documents you upload. Avoid nicknames, abbreviations, or alternate spellings that don't appear on your paperwork. Next, upload your documents. You'll need one that proves your business is legitimate, such as a business license or a government-issued ID, and a second that confirms your address, like a recent utility bill. Make sure these files are clear, high-resolution scans or photos with no glare, cropped edges, or heavy edits. The business name and address should be visible and up to date. If you're operating under a trade name, ensure the legal entity name is still present in your documentation so the reviewers can make a clear match. You'll then have the option to add news links or website proof. Provide a live website that reflects your business name and contact details, or reputable media articles that mention your business. Choose sources that are publicly accessible and clearly identify your brand. This supplemental proof can help reviewers quickly confirm your legitimacy. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything. Do the names, addresses, and website details align across your form and documents? Are the files readable? Small mismatches are a common reason for delays, so it's worth a careful double check. When you're confident, submit your application. Now, the review process begins. Meta typically takes anywhere from 2 days to 45 days to review submissions. During this time, keep an eye on the Security Center for status updates. If Meta requests additional information, respond promptly with clear, matching documents. Once approved, your business will be verified, and that status will support verification of your Facebook page and related assets. If you're not approved, read the reason carefully, correct the issue, and reapply with cleaner matching evidence. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification.